Hello friends! Welcome to the fascinating wetlands, where we will be having fun with fractions.
Wetlands are areas covered by water that is fresh or salty and may be permanent or seasonal. Mangroves, ponds, swamps, lagoons, lakes, and floodplains are all forms of wetlands.
In this lesson, we learn to add and subtract fractions. Let us begin with adding fractions. What is 5/6 plus 3/4? To add the fractions, we first find the common multiple of the denominators 6 and 4. 12 is a common multiple of 6 and 4. 5/6 is the same as 10/12. 3/4 is the same as 9/12. We can now add 10/12 and 9/12 as they have a common denominator. 10/12 plus 9/12 equal to 19/12. Let's convert 19/12 to a mixed fraction in its simplest form. 19/12 is 1 whole and 7/12. 7/12 is already in its simplest form.
We can also add more than 2 fractions. What is 1/4 plus 5/12 plus 2? 2 fractions and 1 whole number. Let's find the common multiple to get the same denominator for both fractions. 1/4 equals to 3/12. 3/12 plus 5/12 are equal to 8/12. 8/12 in its simplest form is 2/3. 2 wholes plus 2/3 equals to 2 and 2/3.
Wetlands are very useful as they collect and store large amounts of water and prevent flooding. Wetlands can store millions of liters of floodwater.
The Pantanal is the largest wetland in the globe and extends across Brazil, Paraguay, and Bolivia.
Next, let us look at how we can subtract fractions. What is 7/8 minus 1/2 minus 1/8? 7/8 and 1/8 have the same denominator. 1/2 is the same as 4/8. 7/8 minus 4/8 is 3/8. 3/8 minus 1/8 is 2/8. 2/8 in its simplest form is equal to 1/4.
What happens when we subtract a fraction from a whole number?
Let us solve an example right here. What is 5 minus 1/3? 5 wholes equal to 4 wholes plus 1 whole. 1 whole minus 1/3 equals to 2/3. Hence, 5 minus 1/3 equals to 4 wholes plus 2/3 equals to 4 and 2/3. The most important thing to remember when adding or subtracting fractions is to make sure that the fractions are equivalent or have the same denominator.
Wetlands are an important habitat for many birds and animals. Around 150 different species of birds including geese, kingfishers, ducks, ibises, and sandpipers depend on these wetlands for their survival. Migratory birds often stop to rest in wetlands.
More interesting wetland facts and more fun with fraction word problems in the next lesson.